Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. Today we are going to discuss about nature of light. First one is corpuscular theory. It was proposed by Newton. It is source of light. Light and other forms of radiant energies are propagated in the form of invisible particles called corpuscles, and according to Newton, different colors of these particles due to different sizes of these particles. And according to Newton, light propagates with more velocity in denser medium. If take air and water, air has less density than water. In water, light propagates with more velocity because of more density. And drawbacks of Newton's theory are corpuscular theory. If take water, if fast some light or radiation on water, it will get reflect. It has some refraction also, both happening at simultaneously. Why it is happening simultaneously? So Newton, he didn't explain both reflection and refraction. If take source of light, Newton said that is light propagates in the straightway manner, but here he placed some object and it has a hole. After coming from this hole, the light is propagates and expanding. It is called diffraction. And if take if take one source and other source, and similarly he placed object, an object, and it has a hole, and here also similarly he did, and both are here lights propagates and expanding from after coming from this hole. So here these radiant energies are interfere, so it is called interference. Newton's, he didn't explain interference and diffraction. And also he didn't explain polarization. What is polarization? If take a source of light, it has all direction. Whenever it passes through crystal, it is in one direction. He didn't explain the polarization of light. And in dense medium, light velocity is less, but Newton said that is velocity of light in dense medium is more, but it is the drawback of corpuscular theory or Newton's theory. These are the drawbacks to failure. Wave theory. Next one is wave theory. Huygenes, it was proposed by Huygenes. It is called Huygenes wave theory. According to Huygenes, light and other forms of radiant energies propagated through space in the form of waves. Here Newton said that is light propagates in the form of particles, but Huygenes said that is the radiant energies are light propagates in the form of waves. Different wavelengths, different colors due to different wavelengths, but Newton said that is different colors due to different sizes of particles. Here different colors due to different wavelengths. The drawbacks of Huygens wave theory is that is photoelectric and black body radiations, it is not explained. Next one is Maxwell theory or electromagnetic theory. Maxwell proposed a theory, it is called electromagnetic theory or Maxwell theory. Maxwell proposed the charged particles moves under acceleration. It produces both electric field and magnetic field. This is called electromagnetic radiation. These waves called electromagnetic waves, and these electric field and magnetic field are both perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the direction of light or propagation of light. All the electromagnetic waves has same velocity equal to the 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.